Hello from North Beach in Miami, Florida. It is 1st of January 2025, the first day of the year for Augustine, and it is 3:45 p.m. and I'm exploring yet another beach. And this is the part of the Miami beach that's divided into north, mid and south. I have visited the south where I'm staying actually in the hotel, and I have taken a swim there. But today I was exploring more on the north part and came all the way from all over to Bal Harbor to Surfside, and now at North Beach at the very beginning actually. This is where the beach actually begins. And yes, after this episode and swim, I will go back to the south beach with a bus because it is not that close to go all the way. So let's then enjoy a nice day on the beach. As you can see, it is super sunny and nice, 26 degrees Celsius in the air and 24 in the water satellite measurement, which means that it's perfect day for swimming and enjoying on the beach. I have had so many episodes today that I stopped counting, and now I realize that it's gonna take quite a while for all these episodes to upload. But it is what it is. It is when you have a YouTube channel that's called Beach Adventures with Chris. So you need to deliver beach adventures every day. And now that I don't swim in Sweden anymore, I would have some buffer period until March where I will post videos from the rest of the world because I travel a lot. And right now I'm in Miami. 5 days ago I was in Thailand actually. Yes, 5 days ago I was in Thailand up until 27th of December. So now I'm on the other side of the earth, 12 hours difference, and delivering beach content to you, my lovely viewers and subscribers and members also. Yes, know that you can join my channel as a member if you want to, that's optional. And you can get some nice perks like early access to videos, some exclusive shorts only for members, priority comments to replies, and some more as well. So let's then enjoy this day with a swim at North Beach, Miami. Wow, so beautiful. And the sea is super salty and nice. Beautiful day on the beach, indeed. So lots of residential buildings here, or maybe rentals, I'm not sure, with view over the sea. That's pretty amazing, right? Indeed. All right, so that is a wrap from North Beach in Miami, Florida. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.